this isn't making you hungry, you must be vegan. Blue cheese this good is illegal. Don't make it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best, creamiest blue cheese sauce ever. So just sit right back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it.
Smells like kids' feet and my skid mark underwear.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I like comments. They make my heart all warm and fuzzy. Blue cheese sauce doesn't actually smell like feet. Well, if it smells like your feet, get your feet out of your blue cheese sauce, you weirdo. Can you just use any blue cheese sauce out there for a good blue cheese sauce?
I don't answer stupid questions.
Now, I have done extensive guesswork on this very subject matter. And you know what I found? Castello Blue Label blue cheese is the best to use by far for blue cheese sauce, as it has a soft, buttery texture and milky taste. Unfortunately for those living outside of Australia and New Zealand, you can't get your hands on this. Castello's Blue Label blue cheese is a result of them trying to merge the best qualities of brie and blue cheese together. And the end result is a super creamy cheese. I've made plenty of videos on wings, especially hot wings. And today's video is on how to make blue cheese sauce, not hot wings. But hot wings go hand in hand with blue cheese sauce. And here's some I prepared earlier. Crispy and drenched in hot sauce and begging to be dipped in some blue cheese sauce. Did you know that I regularly make midnight wings? It's true, and so should you. Side dishes that normally go with blue cheese sauce are celery and carrot. Easy enough to prep, top and tail the celery, and then cut the size. Top and tail the carrots, then cut the size, and then throw on a platter. The celery and carrots add some much needed texture and crunch to this dish, yet still being moist. Ooh! Crunchy smut. Today I'm making a blue cheese sauce. And all up, this sauce will only take 5 minutes to be ready. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer recipe. Cheers.
I need a lot more than that. Oh, okay.
They can't all be 10 beers and over. Just enjoy this one and sneak in another one later. I suggest using a blender to mix the ingredients. I tried whipping them and it didn't work. Into a blender, add 150 grams of Castello's blue cheese and half a cup of whole egg mayo and half a cup of sour cream and 3 cloves of crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Put the lid on and give this a pulse until you see no more movement. Take the blender off the stand and take the lid off. Using a spatula, just scrape down the sides in case anything got stuck. Place it back on the stand with the lid on and give it another pulse. Once you have what should be a nice creamy sauce, just add it to a bowl. And once your guests get a taste of this, they're going to be begging for more.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Did you know that blue cheese was invented in the 7th century by accident? Yes, some French guy forgot his lunch in a cave one day.